Welcome to Making Video Games with Python Lesson 9. No game will be complete without some sound effects. So let's get to it. So if we look in our folder now, you'll see three WAV files. One for shooting the gun, one for the turkey to make a sound when it gets eaten, and then one for when we actually shoot the zombie. Actually, you know what? While we're here, let's go ahead and open up the game library, as well as our code. All right, so at this point, we're going to explore another object from the game library. So we've used the mouse. We haven't used the keyboard or the joystick in this particular game. We haven't used font, but we will be using sound. So the sound object is pretty straightforward. It needs the path to where the sound is, very similar to the image object works, where we had to kind of provide a path to where the image was. Well, the sound object works the same way. We got to tell Python where to find the sound file. The one additional thing that we have to provide is that we have to provide a channel where to play this sound. And our abilities right now range from 0 to 7. So we have 8 possible channels to produce sound effects. So let's go right here and let's do the gun sound. So we're going to say gun equals to sound. And let me pull up the game library. So sound, that's the name of the object, name of the class, and the name of the file is gun2.wave, if I recall. If not, always go back to the folder. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, gun2, and these happen to be WAV files. Again, if you go to properties, there it is, a .wave. And now we have to associate it with the channel. So I find, don't overthink it. Make your first sound start at 0. All right, so let's make this one work. So we want to play, because you'll notice that the sound object has a play function, where we want to play the sound anytime the person shoots. And if you recall, the person shoots by clicking on the left mouse button. So we can add another if statement that simply checks, did the person click on the left mouse? And that's it. Again, this does not interfere with this if statement, because this if statement is about clicking and colliding with the mouse, the zombie colliding with the mouse. This one just says about clicking. And all we're going to do here is we're going to say gun.play. And let's run this. Oops. Is my volume down? Yeah. It's like, why is it not playing? There you go. So notice, I don't have to click on the zombie to get the gun sounds. But if I do click on the zombie, again, now we still got that same other effect of the zombie moving around. All right, so I'm going to do one more, which is to add the turkey sound, which is the gobble. Gobble equals sound of, this one I did forget, turkey gobbler. I think it's a cat. Turkey gooble, gooble, should be gobble. .wave, and we'll put this in channel 1. So when do we want to play this particular sound? Well, we want to play this particular sound anytime the zombie eats the turkey. So I'm going to say google .play. So you already heard it twice. Let's agitate. There you go. Adding sounds definitely improves the experience of the game. I'm not going to add the last sound. I'll leave that up to you. You could play that either at the end uh, when you've won, or you could play it every time we shoot the zombie. So it's like, every time you shoot the zombie. So let's go back to our presentation and let's review what we've done. So in this video, we explored another object from the game library, which was a sound object. The way sound objects work is that you have to provide a path to the sound, similar to what you did with the image object, but you also have to provide an additional parameter as to which channel you want to play this sound in. You have 8 possible channels that range from 0 to 7, so it's going to be left up to you to kind of do that management of where your sound effects are. Once you have loaded up the sound, playing a sound is as simple as just using the plate function that comes from the sound object and then deciding where that sound should be played. So hopefully you're excited. You've finished Zombie Thanksgiving and good job. Enjoy.